So do you remember when we talked about our long vowel sounds? So the AI makes the a. So like paint. Can you say this one? What? A. And then we have ain. So the AI makes the a sound. So the ea, like into e, the eat, and then we have team. The ie makes the I sound, like pie, died, and tried. And then the oa makes the oat sound. So, but o, can you say this one? Coat, good job. And then what about this one? Goat, good job. And then the ue does the oo sound. So glue, and then can you say this one? Glue, good job. Okay, so we're gonna do this sheet where we have to color in the long vowel. So the AI, like ain't, will be red. The ea, like to e, will be orange. The ie, like I, will be yellow. The oa, like o, will be green. And the ue, like glue, will be blue. So let's try to find one with the ai sound, like ain't. There you go. We have one red. Very good. Okay, let's try to find one that has the ea sound, like to e or to eam. Do you see any one that would have a e sound? T. Good job. Very good. Okay, I-E, like I. Let's try to find one that has the I sound. I, nice. Okay, O-A, so like oat or goat. So let's try to find something that has the oat sound. Boat. Okay, let's try to find one more. One that has a ooh sound, like ooh, ue. Says ooh, like glue or blue. There you go. We found glue.